Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to be doing this cool toned daytime smoky eye. You don't see too many cool tone looks, you see a lot of warm tone looks, especially with the whole warm tone trend, so I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I was also inspired by this picture that I found on Instagram. So this is what I came up with. I toned it down to make it a little bit more daytime friendly. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start out by using my Modern Mattes. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of this shade in the crease. Now I'm going to go into my Maybelline Twilight Rays palette, and I'm going to use this shade just sort of on the outer V. Now I'm going to take some of this one here, and I'm just going to put that all over the crease. Take a bit of this shade and focus that in the outer V. So I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to go back into Twilight Rays and take this light blue up here and put that over the inner half of my eye. And you can barely see it on camera, but that's okay. I want it to be a bit more subtle there. Using the same flat brush, I'm gonna go into the same palette with this darker light blue and focus that sort of on the outer half just before the sort of smoky V. You know what, I'm going to take a bit more of that purple and focus that on the outer V, sort of blending in with what I just did. And now I'm going to go back into my Modern Mattes, and I'm going to take this purple and just focus this on the outer edge of my eyeshadow. I'm working in stages because I want a gradient effect, so I want to make it as seamless as possible. So I'm going to go back into Twilight Rays. I'm going to take the white shade over here. I'm going to, just using my finger, dab it on the inner corner as an inner corner highlight and as a brow bone highlight. I'm just going to do mascara, and I think I'll be done. Okay, so this is the final look. It's like a very neutral, wearable, cool toned smoky eye. I wanted to do something more cool toned because you don't really see those looks very often. If you want to see more videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.